Hey, how's it going? Welcome to the garage. Today we're going to change out the wheel and hub assembly on this 2017 Chevy Silverado, so stay tuned. What I like to do first is loosen up the lug nuts and the axle nut. The axle nut here on the 2017 is 36 millimeter. After removing the wheel, I was actually able to heat up the axle nut with this for about 2 minutes. I had it almost cherry red. Then we put the breaker bar on it and loosen the axle nut. Now we're going to remove the caliper by loosening and taking out these caliper mounting bolts, which are 18 millimeter. One down here at the bottom. Remove the caliper. Set it up top for now. My rotor is held on with a T30 Torx head. Let's loosen that. Take the rotor off. While we're up front, let's go ahead and remove the axle nut. Don't forget the washer. On the back side, we've got three 15 millimeter bolts that hold the hub in place. One up here, one down here, and then one on the back side we'll get to in just a moment. Okay, that's one loose. Let's try this one. After a little freeze off and turning the wheel out a little bit, able to get a breaker bar in this little socket on there. Yeah. You'll need to unplug the wire harness here that goes to the ABS sensor. I've already done that. All right, banging on the axle here with a little hammer, little rubber mallet. Just gonna loosen that up. Let's go ahead and remove it along with the backing plate. All right, let's get this cleaned out with a little wire brush before we put our new hub assembly on. Clean it all out and wipe it down. Now let's put a little silicone grease. I'll spread that all around. And put some on these threads here. Okay, so let's install our new hub and backing plate. Brand new bolts. These get torqued to 133 foot-pounds. Go ahead and put our new washer and axle nut on, and we'll just snug it down. And this new axle nut is a 35 millimeter, unfortunately, so I had to go buy a new socket. All right, let's put the rotor back on. And the little set screw. All right, let's get our caliper positioned in place. We're going to install brand new caliper bolts. Hope you can read that part number. Just snug them up. These bolts are supposed to be torqued down to 170 foot-pounds. Now let's hook up our ABS sensor. So my clip is broken, but it'll snap into place, and then we'll snap it in right up here. Let's torque down this axle nut. 177 foot-pounds. Let's get this thing. These lug nuts should get about 140. All right, let's put our center cap on. Well, that's all there is to replacing the hub assembly on a 2017 Chevy Silverado. So until next time, we'll be seeing you.